Hi, and I'm Paul from Heavins.ie.
And I'm Derek from Heavins.ie.
Derek, what are you doing in our green jackets?
They got wet earlier from that shower rain, so I'm thinking of throwing it into the dryer. Sure.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, sure, why not?
Relax on the beach while you're drying.
Yeah.
That's a heat pump Haier dryer, yeah?
Yeah, heat pump higher dryer. Yeah, it's
Ah,
working there now.
right.
It's a great job, isn't it?
Just relax there now. Wait.
Explain to me, Paul, even how this works.
Yes, Derek Heaven. You see, this is a Haier, large capacity, 9 kg, A double plus, eco-friendly heat pump tumble dryer.
And how is this possible? We're on a beach. How are we powering
Well,
this?
you see, Derek, this is an Ecoflow power station. You can charge it up at home and bring it with you, or you can use Ecoflow solar panels, and you can use it anywhere you want.
Can you use it on other appliances?
Yes, you can power your TV, your fridge in case of a power cut, a tumble dryer on a beach.
In
charge your
Inishbofin.
phone- In Inishbofin, charge your phone.
Anything.
Yeah.
Use for anything.
Derek, get them close to your dryer.
Oh yeah, we'll check it there now.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, that's lovely, Paul.
Give us that there, yeah.
Let's throw them on there now.
Yeah.
Ah, green jackets are back. Try again. Ah, let's go.